Let's take a look at how to change Windows XP over to OpenDNS for your DNS settings. Now, there are a couple of reasons that you'll want to use OpenDNS. The main reason is a lot of times your internet service provider, for instance AT&T, their DNS servers are not very robust, and I've seen a lot of cases where you get page can't be displayed or something like that in your browser, and simply changing to OpenDNS will make it respond again, will make your internet access appear to be much faster, because OpenDNS's DNS servers are much more responsive, and there are also some safety features as well, but the main thing is for responsiveness. So here's how we do it. In XP, we go to Start. We want to look for our control panel, and in the control panel, we're going to look for network and internet connections, and we're looking for the network connections. Now, depending on how your Windows XP desktop and control panel are configured, you may have a few different clicks, but this is where we're trying to get, and we're trying to look for the local area connection, or if you're on an XP laptop, you may look for the wireless connector, and we're going to right click on it and go to Properties. We're going to look for TCP/IP, and we're going to click Properties. We're going to click on Use the following DNS server addresses, and we're going to type in the OpenDNS server addresses, which are 208.67.222.222, and then the alternate is going to be 208.67.220.220. We're going to click OK and close, and that's all there is to it. Now, just to confirm, you don't have to do this step, but just to confirm, I'm going to go to the command prompt in XP, and I'm going to do an ipconfig/all, and I'm going to verify right here that my DNS servers are set to the OpenDNS addresses. Again, you don't have to do this step, it's only for demonstration. So in Windows 7, we're going to look in the lower right corner of our screen, and you'll see your internet access icon or your network icon. It may be a wired or wireless connection, doesn't matter, it's basically the same. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to go to Open Network and Sharing Center. And in the Network and Sharing Center, we're going to go to Change Adapter Settings. And when we see our local area connection, again, in this case it's a wired connection, but you may see your wireless connection. We're going to right-click it and go to Properties. We're going to look for TCP/IP v4. We're going to click on Properties. And we're going to use the following DNS. Our preferred is 208.67.222.222. And then alternate is 208.67.220.220. Now those are, of course, OpenDNS is DNS servers. So we're going to click OK. We're going to click Close. We're going to close out of that. Just to double check, again, this is not required. I'm going to go to the command prompt. I'm going to do an ipconfig/all. And I'm going to scroll back up and verify that my IPv4 DNS settings are set to OpenDNS right here.